Hey loves, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Arianne Styllz, and today's video is going to be a review on my IVYPARK, or as you might call it, IVYPARK items, as well as some jewelry that I got from Jessemade Jewelry. And if this is a video that you're interested in, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I got some jewelry recently that was sent to me by Jessemade Jewelry, and I do have a discount code for you guys that can get you 10% off, and I'll put it here as well as in the description box below, and it's just my name, Arianne, and you can get 10% off your purchase. So I wanted to show you guys the pieces that I picked up. I picked up a few bracelets, a couple name necklaces, and just like little knickknacks. I thought they were really good. If you are interested, they do carry like real gold pieces. If you want to give somebody like a necklace or something for their birthday, for anniversaries and stuff like that, it's a great place for you to check out, and they're reasonably priced. If you cannot afford the real gold and stuff like that, they do have gold-plated items which are just as good, so you can definitely check them out. I'll put the link in the description box below, but let me show you the items that I picked out. So the first thing that caught my eye was the packaging. So it does come in this orange jewelry box, which says Jessemade, and then I have all the necklaces that I chose here. I assume that you get these boxes for your necklaces, because I did receive these velvet bags for my other accessories. Okay guys, before we get into these IVYPARK items, I just wanted to show you some accessories that I picked up from Jessemade Jewelry, which you can definitely check them out. And thank you to Jessemade Jewelry for partnering with me on this video. So they sent me a few items, and I thought they were so gorgeous. They're so much like me. They're like dainty and gold and cute. You can definitely check them out. They carry a lot of like named accessories, so you can get your name, your child's name, whatever you want on there. They can get that for you, and to add, they're reasonably priced. If you're looking for like true gold, like real gold items, they do have that, but they carry gold plated items as well. They carry rings, they carry bracelet, they carry men's bracelets, they carry earrings, all of that. It would make perfect birthday gifts, anniversary gifts, and stuff like that. So I picked up a few items. I picked up a necklace for my goddaughter, for my son, well, for me, with my son's name. And yeah, I just wanted to show you the items that I picked up, and hopefully you can see them because they're really dainty and small. So this one has my name. This font is not really like, you cannot tell from afar what it is saying, which is what I like. So you can definitely layer this with your other necklaces. I think this is really cute. I got it in 35 centimeters. So this one with my name is a 10 karat gold plated necklace, and as I said before, it's 35 centimeters and it's really cute. The next piece that I'll be showing is one that has my goddaughter's name, which is a different style. It has like the writing in silver, and it's also a 10 karat gold plated necklace. It's also 35 centimeters, and as I said before, it's 10 karat gold plated. And I'll put a discount code here for 10% off your next purchase. So you can go ahead and give your nieces, your nephews, your mom, your uncle, your boyfriend, whoever. You can give them some sentimental pieces. And I got one that has my baby's name, and it has a little crown, which is definitely like so cute. Now this one is 10 karat gold, so it's not gold plated, it's actually gold, and I think this one is really like gorgeous. I'm so happy about this one. I'll definitely be layering this with my other necklaces and wear it all the time. This is also 35 centimeters. I would suggest going up to the next size because the 35 centimeters is really like almost choker vibe, but other than that, they are very cute. Moving on from the necklaces, I did pick up some bracelets, and to add, the necklaces came in this gorgeous jewelry box which says Jessemade. So they spend time in like packaging the items, which is also good. So I did pick up some bracelets. I can tell you, like almost all the items on their site is like very dainty, minimalistic. So if that's your kind of jewelry, you can definitely check them out, and they're inexpensive because I doubt this one was even $50. So what I did was to get 3 of these. I got 3 of these with my initial, my son's initial, and my partner's initials, and I'll just layer this with my watch. When I'm wearing my watch, I like to wear like charms and stuff like this, so this is just perfect. So this one says C for my son's initials, and then the others have my initial and my partner's initial. Like I mentioned before, they do carry men's accessories, so I picked up this black and gold men's bracelet for my partner, which has my son's name, so you can get any name written on the item, which I think is really cute. Again, the accessories are more minimalistic and like simple, so if that's your vibe, you can definitely check them out. The quality of the band, I don't think it's real leather, but it does feel good quality. It's light, and yeah, I think you can definitely give this to your partner. It's something that he could wear on his other arm while he's wearing his watch on the next arm. So if he's like, for my partner, for example, he's not big on jewelry and all of that and that whole excitement. So this is perfect for him because it's black with a little gold, and it's also sentimental. Again, I will have a discount code in the description box below, and I'll put it here where you can save some money on your purchase. So that's it for my items that I picked up from Jessemade Jewelry. I think I got another earring. Yeah, so I just picked up this really simple fashion accessory, regular fashion earring. Yeah, nothing too much, but yeah, those are the items that I picked up from Jessemade Jewelry, which I love so much. Again, do check them out, and you can look for the discount code in the description box below. Now to my IVYPARK finds. The first thing is this bodysuit, which has the 3 stripes here, long sleeve, padded shoulder, brown, everything that I love. It's cute. It was $100, but it was worth it because the material is so good. But I am upset because I wanted a bucket hat, I wanted a few other things, and everything was gone. So I literally had to settle for just 2 items, which I'm glad I got them anyways because they are really nice. So I'm loving this bodysuit. Even though it's $100, the quality is good. So if you are hesitant the next time her collection drops, don't be, because the quality speaks for itself, and you can definitely wear this many times. For the rest of the things in the collection, I wasn't a big fan of all the pinks and all of that, but I did get my hands on the super sleeves. In the box you get a dust bag, which lightly says IVYPARK, that you can use to protect your shoe. Now to the shoes, they look huge, but I promise that's because of the platform bottoms. White definitely look like stompers, but they are gorgeous. Like the fact that they put this light gray with the white makes it so versatile. You can definitely like wear it a lot. It's giving me Stella McCartney vibes because of how platform it is. So if you know those, the Air Force platform, I forgot the name, I think it's Shadow. Those are like really high, but this is like twice that. And as usual, she usually have that slender front, like pointy, but not like too pointy. That's what the first Super Sleek look like. I think that's the design of the shoe, and it does come with this at the back, which I don't really care for, but you can always take it off. And just like the other ones, it has this thing that looks like a phone cord. So yeah, they're really cute. I think you can get multiple wears out of it. So even though I didn't get all the items that I wanted, I think the 2 items that I did get are items that I can wear a lot. So in the future, when she has her other drops, don't hesitate. The prices may seem a little bit much, but they are justified because the quality is very good. The shoes are usually very nice that you can wear for years. So those are things that you can consider if you are hesitant for like buying her next collection, which I'll definitely try to make up my mind sooner so that I can be out of there with more than 2 items the next time around. But you live and you learn, right? Okay guys, this takes us to the end of another video. I really hope you guys liked this really short video. I really wanted to show you the few items that I got from IVYPARK because they were honorable mentions of how the quality was really good and whatnot. And I also wanted to show you my Jessemade collection jewelry, which is also very cute. Don't forget that if you want to pick up a few pieces from them, I do have a discount code, which it's always good to save yourself a few dollars. Don't forget that everything is in the description box below. But with that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post other videos. Bye! Again, I will have a description. Chaz, can you be quiet? I forgot to do it. I don't know what to do.